is our nuke hive that we just got. We're going to open it up a little bit to let the bees come in and out.
I'm zooming into the nuke.
But we're not going to really set up the hive until tomorrow in its regular box. But the thing about bees, they say you can move a hive 2 feet or 2 miles. Because bees really, once they learn where they're at, they stay. So we're going to set the new hive up here. But tonight we're just going to open up the top, leave it cracked open so the bees can get in and out, start learning their way around.
Okay, yeah.
So, ready to see what happens here?
Yeah, I'm going to zoom into the top.
Come on in here and look, Jacob.
Okay. Oh, man.
So this is our hive of bees. This is called a nuke, or nucleus. See, they're going to start flying around, exploring nearby.
They're sending out scouts.
Yep.
Oh, they're going to send out... Oh, man, there's some...
Don't. Hey, remember?
Yes, yes, they're just freaking me out.
Right, well.
I'm sure we might get viral if I go and start screaming, ah!
So we got to make sure that they can get in and out of there. So I'm going to find a stick.
My dad has a stick. And he's going to attempt to do something without aggravating, without provoking the bees. Because if you provoke them, you're going to regret it.
So we got just enough gap for them to get in and out.
Yeah.
So they can start exploring the area, learning about it.
Yeah. I hope this time my cameraman skills have improved.
Okay, so that's what we're going to try to do. Is leave them just like that.
Okay, Chase, stop now.
Yep, tomorrow after evening we're going to come out and assemble the hive in a regular box. Okay, so here we are. We're back a day later. We're going to take this nuke, which is in a box, and we're going to move it actually to a hive. So we just had to come down here and check it out first. And we're going to go bring the hive down here and move them over.
Like a caterpillar.
Okay, you ready, Jacob? We're going to move our bees.
Yeah.
First of all, we have our bottom board here. We're going to put right here like this.
Yeah, but aren't we going to make it to where the hive is where the bee is where the nuke is currently?
Yep.
And, well, they'll find their way to there eventually. I'm getting the smoke going good.
Okay, so our nuke has 5 frames in it.
Mm-hmm.
We have a 10-frame box with 5 frames in it of ours. Now we got to move these bees over without getting stung is the goal.
Yeah, so that's why we're gonna give them some motivation not to sting us.
We're gonna
Aren't we?
look at don't smoke from there. Look at that.
So, okay.
Just leave them alone right now. They're fine.
And my dad is currently attempting to. Oh wait, what is that? They're all around.
Give them a little puff, son. Over here. No, these over here.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good. Stop. So now we got to get these out of here, and they've probably got some propolis. Gluing them together. The as I understand it, is not to squish any bees. Squishing bees
just
bad.
makes me.
Makes them mad.
Yeah.
So we gotta pry each one loose.
Oh.
Puff the ones in the air a little bit, son.
Activate the anti-air. I'm going to just
Are you watching? Look at this frame that comes out.
smoke them.
No, don't smoke them. See how they're laden full of bees. We're going to put this... Uh-oh, this frame is actually a short. I did not realize that.
What do you mean?
Well, it's not a full-length frame.
Well, they'll build honeycomb down.
You know?
Are those the ones to where the bees build their own honeycomb?
It's full of bees, so no, don't smoke them.
They're just going to dump them in there.
Yep.
I hope it didn't push me. Whoa, they're getting a bit aggressive. Ooh.
Got it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I need some smoke over here, son.
Okay.
No.
Wait, there's a bug. Trying to get into the hive. Well, they're kind of mad.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'm going to hit him downwind. Oh, cut
Smoke
out.
me. Now we are hoping that the queen is in the hive, not one of these bees here.
I'm giving them smoke down. Well, upwind, they'll travel down. They're mad. They're mad. They're very mad.
Just hold on a second. Let them work themselves down into the hive.
They'll want to grab that box later.
See how those ones in the top are disappearing down into the hive?
Yeah.
Okay, you got your back to the camera, son.
Yeah.
Ouch!
I was trying to give them a... But should I refill the smoker?
No, we're going to be out of here soon.
Okay.
Hoping to convince them to go down into the hive so we can put the top on.
Because squishing some of their sisters tends to make them a little mad. Then they like to get all stingy, which sacrifices them. And my dad
dexterity of my fingers more.
Do you like vinegar? Do they like or dislike the smell and taste of vinegar?
I don't know, son.
You might have to check that out. Might give you the dexterity of your hands with less gum.
Okay, so there we have our nuke has been installed into our hive.
So what should I do with this? Should I empty it in the creek?
No, just leave it in the house.
What about the stuff burning inside?
Just put it underneath the back deck. So now, do you see our bees coming in and out?
Yeah. Looks like they're trying to get in through the top. Oh, but I do see them coming down through the bottom.
So it's late in the day today. What we're going to do tomorrow is we're going to bring back another hive body and put it on top of this one. Because the frames that we put in it were mostly full. So that's it for today. It's
So we want to give them some expanding.
Friday, May 11th.
So we want to give something for them to expand
Yep, some
on.
room to expand.
Yeah, like they do have some of them which they can expand, but we want to give them even more to expand.
Right. We want them to start, the queen to start laying eggs.
We want to get them to start going mass expansion because they have the resources since we're in a tiny meadow. And we're in a forest. There are flowers on both sides of the camera. There are flowers over there. And I see a large amount of flowers behind
We're just going to leave this stuff here.
the trees over there. There are a lot of nearby flowers, which will give them a supply, and it'll get them flowering in even more later in the summer. So like there are flowers here, flowers there. And once there's a certain season, all mom will love this flower. There's flowers I think even on there.
All right,
Flowers.
pack it up and go home.